Nature. 1. Source of oxygen? Plants. 2. Largest land animal? Elephant. 3. Home of animals? Habitat. 4. Gas we breathe? Oxygen. 5. Main source of water? Rain. 6. Study of plants? Botany. 7. Study of animals? Zoology.